Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss lesson number 14 from our textbook, How Big, How Heavy. So look over here first. Sharika collects things like marbles, coins, erasers, etc. She takes some water in a glass and marks the level of water as 0. See, this is the glass and put all these things one by one and measure the level. I think this much, that is 0. So if I drop 5 marbles in this glass, can you guess what will be the level of water? She takes some water in a glass and marks the level of water as 0. यानी जहाँ तक वाटर है वहाँ पे 0 लेवल किया. She drops 5 marbles in the glass. She marks the new level of water as 5 marbles. I just made a guess about how much water will be pushed up by the marbles. How do you find the volume? Whoa, how did you guess? Do you know the volume of a marble? Next it is, see, each marble pushes up some water, right? Yes. That is because it takes up some space, which is its volume. That means what is called volume? Volume means the object which occupies some space. And whatever space the object occupies, call its volume. Come on for the next page. Your measuring glass. Now make a guess. Do you think the volume of 10 5 rupee coins will be more than that of 10 marbles? Just you do the imagination. Guess the volume of each of these. A ball is nearly 20 marbles. That means one ball is equal to 20 marbles, same space occupied the volume. An eraser is nearly 2 marbles, yani space occupied by an eraser is equal to 2 marbles. A lemon is nearly 3 marbles. A lemon is nearly 3 marbles. A pencil is nearly 2 marbles. That means volume. 2 marbles. A potato is nearly 10 marbles because it is heavy weight. Now make your own measuring glass using 35 marbles. Take a glass of water and mark the level of water as 0. Then put in 5 marbles and mark the level of water as 5 m. Again drop 5 marbles and mark the level of water as 10 m. Likewise make the markings for 15 m, 20 m, 25 m, 35 m and 35 m. That means each time 5 marbles are increased. So now put each of thing in the measuring glass and check your guess. Try with different things like a matchbox, a stone, etc. and fill the table. See, suppose name of the object is matchbox. Its volume nearly how many marbles? Means ये इसका weight, इसका जो volume space occupy करते हैं near about 7 marbles. Next, if it is the object name is stone, that time its volume occupied by 5. marbles. Then sharpener, it's a small size, so it occupied 2. And then tomato, it's occupied 4, because matchbox is bigger, its volume also bigger, that's why it occupies 7 marbles volume, whereas stone comparatively small from the volume of the matchbox, sharpener or small, and tomato it's bigger than sharpener. Now come on for the next page. That is, which has more volume? Can you tell me the volume of 6 marbles in milliliter? Yes, as we know, liter and milliliter difference, liter and kiloliter difference. Yes, if we make a measuring bottle. In class 4, you made a measuring bottle for 250 ml. In generally, we have to drink the cold drink that time also using measuring bottles, cool water bottle also. Same, that is written on milliliter or 1 liter. Can you think of ways for making a measuring bottle which can measure 10 milliliter, 20 milliliter, 30 milliliter, 40, 50, 60 milliliter, etc. Discuss with your friend. Tariq and Molly made their measuring bottles. Tariq had an injection. He used it to make his measuring bottle. Molly used an empty medicine bottle. I took 5 ml once in my injection. I filled it twice to mark 10 ml on my bottle. यानी 10 ml अगर उसको रखना है तो एक इंजेक्शन का सिरिंज जिसमें 5 ml आता है वो 2 बार इस पे रखते हैं. Now I use this bottle which measures 10 ml to make my measuring bottle, and she is using one bottle whose capacity is 10 ml. Molly used her measuring bottle to find the volume of 5 rupee coins. She found that 9 5 rupee coins push up 10 milliliter of water. यानी 9 5 रुपी कॉइन अगर बॉटल में हम रखें तो 10 मिलीलीटर ऑफ वाटर ऊपर इंक्रीज होते हैं. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज 9 5 रुपी कॉइन्स टू मेक योर measuring bottle. Go ahead, that is, use your measuring bottle to find out. Number A, what is the volume of 6 marbles? As previously we discussed 1 marble, so 6 marble, 1 marble means 1 milliliter, 1.5, so it is 6 marbles means it is 7 milliliter, because we are given 5 rupee coin and previously told over here in page number 188. Come for the next page. What is the volume of 16 1 rupee coins? 16 1 rupee coins volume is 19 ml. 19 ml. Now solve these in your mind. The volume of 24 marble is 28 ml. 1 marble means 2. The volume of 24 marble is 28 ml. The volume of 32 1 rupee coins 36 ml. Molly put some 5 rupee coins in the measuring bottle. How many coins has she put in it? If 30 ml water is pushed up, then 27 coin needs. If 60 ml, that means just double it, 54 coins. Now come on for the next page. That is page number 191. It's a practice time. A stage, that is platform, is made with 5 maths magic books. The volume of this stage is the same as dash centimeter cubes. If we measure our mathematics book, that is these books, length and breadth, and its height, we will say the volume is length multiply breadth multiply height equal to 540 cubic centimeter. So we have to write over here volume volume of 1 magic book equal to 540 centimeter cube. Sign of therefore, volume of 5 such books equal to 540 multiply 5. 500, 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, that is 27. So 2700 centimeter cube.